for the day. Today's the day we walk to the hostel.
Yeah.
But first, morning camp chores. Like getting changed. Exhibit A.
Exhibit A.
There might be
You might be.
if I sleep.
Sir Andrew.
Sir Andrew.
Tent a lot.
Sir Andrew. Tent a lot. Man of the Woods. First of his name.
Actual shoes now.
Shoe time. Look at that sun. Some leaves going into my shoe.
Oh my gosh.
What? Oh my god. He just had the longest, he still has it, the longest snot. Oh my god. Wait. Hold on.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
And it's so unhealthy. Hold on. Oh my god.
Is it on your face now?
No,
Did you get it out?
I swung it. Oh my god. It's in this tree. Good lord.
Wow. You marked your territory, I guess.
Yep.
We're leaving the campsite now. Goodbye, swaggy site. You have any last words for swag of the Blue Ridge?
Just, goodbye swag. Goodbye swaggy owl that I heard last night. Hoo-hooing.
Swag-tastic.
Yeah.
So today we have 7.5 miles to cover before we hit the hostel. And when we reach the gap, we walk 0.6 to the hostel. It's like right on the road, which is awesome. Swag of the Blue Ridge. Swaggy path of the Blue Ridge. I love these squiggly trees. If anyone knows what the scientific name for squiggly tree is, please comment it. I'd like to know.
Squiggleless trigus.
Stop here for a snack and realize we're at the top of Round Top. Cool stuff. Ramen brick breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Love it. I got no ramen brick today.
The new way that I'm eating this is crushing it up in the bag, adding some of the flavor packet.
Shaking it
Straight
up.
up.
Hey.
I feel like I make less crumbs that way.
Yeah, I broke it up yesterday.
Yeah.
And I was like, yeah, I think this is a better way.
More of it gets into my mouth and less on the ground.
Yes. So we've reached Addis Gap. Addis Gap? Addis Gap.
Addis?
Who knows? And yeah, this is another place you can camp, but it's definitely not our time to camp. So we're gonna ascend Kelly Knob, which seems to be like a 700 foot climb, something like that, like a mile.
Yeah.
So that's our big climb for today. So we go on. They don't call it Blue Ridge for nothing, right? So nice. Those layers are amazing. We made it to the top of Kelly Knob. What a freaking climb that was. Andrew found a nice log bench thing up here. We're just appreciating the view in the back, the beautiful layers, and the breeze feels so nice.
Currently on the downhill from Kelly Knob. Had my ramen for breakfast. And no food left. Only a little bit of water. But there's a water refill at the bottom of this mountain here. And we'll probably make it to the hostel by around lunchtime. So I'd say this is pretty well timed. Katie is now thriving in the sun on a downhill.
That's right. After dying going uphill.
Yeah.
Feels nice. Breeze feels nice. Cruising feels nice.
Yeah.
Not huffing and puffing feels nice.
And the wind is probably picking up a lot of wind on this video, but hey. It's nice. That's nice too.
It is nice.
It's a little windy. Made it to Deep Gap, and I'm on water duty, so I can drop my pack and I'm running down this little side trail here. Go find that wood. Whew, there she is.
Andrew's fetching water, and I'm just eating the rest of the food that I have left, which is goldfish crumbs. Love that. Love that.
Cool. All these little green things. It's probably the most greenery we've seen all day.
Yeah.
It's been pretty dull and drab, like just leaves and such.
It's true. Yeah, that's definitely the most green we've seen today.
Yeah.
It's been looking like this, up and down, the entire time. Get that deep stretch in. Ready to hike. That's how you're gonna hike the next 2.4.
And you also gotta get the lunge too.
Gotta get the lunge. That's right.
Deep lunge.
Deep lunge. Look at that form right there.
Poles are nice for helping you stretch.
Oh yeah, especially with the pack on your back.
Get a little hip flexor, get a little hamstring. You know?
Oh yeah.
Obviously gotta switch sides now.
Yep. That left foot forward needs some loving.
Here we go.
Oh, and going deep.
There we go.
There he goes.
We've reached the legendary trailside reflecting pool. Let's have a look. Little tree coming out of it. Let's do some reflecting. Another cool find. Seen a lot of these snail shells. It's cool. Nice little holly tree. Or not, I don't know. Maybe I can get a botany check in the comments. slowly coming down.
Oh yeah.
Look at some of those nice holly trees, or at least what I think are holly trees. Like this one over here.
Yeah.
It's nice.
See quite a few of those.
Yeah. That's so nice. Some of these have the red berries. Looks very festive for a warm winter. On our bench.
Yeah, go sit on that bench.
I feel like this is...
I take advantage of this opportunity.
This is the real scrying pool. The real reflecting pool.
We made it to Dix Creek Gap.
We did.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now the hostel's like a 0.6 mile walk from this road that's right behind us. So yeah, just gonna go there and shower up. We're very excited about it.
Take a little R&R, you know what I'm
Oh
saying?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. More trail magic at Dix Creek Gap.
All of the hikers' clothes. Yeah. She stayed up all day in the hoodie and just watched everything.
Doing a little road walking, Katie and I. Just got a little trail magic. Someone went out for a hike. Left their pickup truck, the back of the pickup truck open, with a cooler and some snacks and beers.
Yeah.
And I got a moon pie also.
We each took a beer. It was great. It was so refreshing.
It was really nice. We met some cool people too. We met someone called Freedom. Met a guy called Chaos. What was the guy from Portland's name?
I didn't ask for his name.
But yeah, we met a guy from Maine too.
Yeah.
They were all pretty cool.
They're all very cool. Very nice. Very nice people.
Very nice people.
Had awesome stories.
Had great stories. Had some terrifying stories.
Terrifying stories. Yeah.
Had some wacky stories. And maybe we'll share later. But until then, hiking to the hostel, probably about a quarter mile away on the road, and we'll see you there. Some very pretty flowers on the side of this highway. I like it.
We reached it. We're here at Around the Bend Hostel. Woo! Excited about this.
All right. Can you believe?
Some little cabins. Looks like. Here's the main part of the hostel. They also have a shoot tree.
Here comes a doggo.
So we're in the hostel. It's a really nice room. I'm just sitting on the floor like a weirdo because I don't feel like getting up. I'll get up when Andrew comes back to loan her clothes and then I can shower and stuff. But man, I didn't think I had like a scent before, but I'm smelling it now. It does come out. Thanks, AT.
Just got out of the shower, I think.
Yay.
So I don't know about the selection of clothes, but I did my best here.
Oh, you're the best.
All right, so here's what we got.
All right.
You got some running shorts.
Yes.
These are kind of big, but they got a drawstring, so you'll be able to make do.
Love that.
I got this like small top. I know you're not a fan of like the short like arm sleeves, but you know I figured it's it's better than an oversized t-shirt. For me, I got the Atlanta Braves anniversary shirt. Wow, look at that. And I got myself, these are kind of fancy, Under Armour kind of golf shorts.
Hey, nice.
So I'll rock those. Got 2
Sweet.
towels, 2 face towels.
You're awesome.
So one of us is ready to go in.
Suddenly so tired. Took a shower. There was conditioner in the shower. And like, my hair is thankful for that. Like, that was so refreshing. Now I'm just gonna cut my nails. Going into town later, so just killing the time until then.
You know, some people tip them a little.
Yeah, they
We're kind of doing the same thing, building our gear over time.
I don't know what they have a guy. I don't know what they're.
Communities, so we get like
That's it. This is $7.50 for 6 tacos.
Dang, 2 beers at the brewery, and I'm in Ingles Market, and I'm just looking at this resupply food like, yikes, this is so good. I just want to like take all the snacks. Hey Katie.
Yes.
Did you know that the Blue Ridge Mountains are the Blue Ridge Mountains because the trees like emit isoprene to protect themselves against heat or something like that?
I wish I emitted isoprene to protect me from the southern heat.
Same.
But that's really cool. I did not know that.
I just learned that from Wikipedia, so I just thought that was
Trusty
cool.
wiki.
Where are we right now?
We're at the Around the Bend Hostel in our room. And it's so nice and comfy.
And where were we just before?
We're at the Hiawassee Brewery. And it was good.
Did you have some good brews?
I did have some good brews.
That's good. I had some good brews as well. And it chowed down on some foods as well.
We loved it. It was a good time.
Yeah.
We got 6 tacos for like $7.50.
I know, what's going on with that?
Yeah.
And then,
I had 6 steak tacos.
and then a bunch of people didn't finish their food, and I was like, let me just inhale that real quick. And
he did.
I haven't I haven't felt this full in a long time, I feel like.
Sorry,
But
my eyes are itchy.
it's all good.
No.
But that's how it goes on trail. Feast and famine, I feel like, you know?
Yep. That's
So-
the name of the game.
Yeah. Shout out this guy, Josh Driver. I put a sticker on my dirty smart water bottle, hoping that he gets some exposure. He was playing live music at the Hiawassee Brewery, so go check this guy out if you can.
So far, it's been a really nice stay at the hostel, but I think I'm like allergic to something. Like, I'm not sure. Just like, I am allergic to cats. I don't know if the cats come in here, but like, I have like these bumps on my face. And I've been using the same like face stuff for the whole week, like face wash and lotions, but only today is it like really hurting, and I have these bumps. So yeah, hopefully it'll go away soon, but I don't feel nice. Yeah. We're about to go sleep now. So till tomorrow.